Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to our channel.
Salam everybody, what's up?
So today we're going to decorate our home for Ramadan. By the way, we just bought a new vlogging camera. Let us know what you think of it. How's the quality? How is the sound? We actually just ordered a new lens so it could be a bit wider when we vlog because this one is standard. It comes with a camera. You can't really see me. You see more of Mo.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, let us know what you guys think of it. But anyways, we are so excited because we're getting ready to
decorate our house for Ramadan.
Yay! So we bought a few decorations online and we also bought a couple things at our local Hobby Lobby, like Target. Craft stores, Target. So we're gonna show you guys what we bought to decorate our home. Okay guys, so I placed all of the Ramadan decorations on my dining table. So it seems like I bought a lot of stuff, but I actually did not. This is all very last minute stuff that I got. So this I actually got about 3-4 days ago from Etsy. I loved it so much. They sell so many cool things on that website. I suggest you guys check it out. This was about $30 or $40 and I am thinking about placing this in the prayer room. I also have some lights. Actually, I have a lot of lights that we're going to hang up in the entrance of our home because it's such a long hallway right over here. It's a very long entryway, hallway, whatever you want to call it. So hanging lights right over there will make this area stand out and it's gonna look so nice. I can't wait. We also have more lights. Oops. we have these adjustables so we can hang the lights with, some push pins, and let's see what else we have. We have some candles, balloons, Ramadan Kareem balloons. I could not make up my mind, so I bought all 3 colors because I'm sure I'll make use of them in the next years, inshallah. We also found these cute lanterns at Walmart, out of all places. They were about $20 each. Actually, it's a steal. It's like a really nice, decent size. And I've seen this at Target for about $40, which I believe to be too expensive. So at Walmart, you can get 2 for $40. Earlier today, we went to Hobby Lobby and I found these beads that are just so adorable and I'm sure I can make good use of them for Ramadan and just as a decoration all year round. What else? Okay, so we found this at Hobby Lobby and I was looking for a crescent and this is the only thing that I found that is similar to what I had in mind. I don't like the color. I also don't like the writing on it. So what I'm going to do is spray paint this. Actually, I'm going to get Muhammad to spray paint this in silver. So we bought spray paint. I don't know if this will work for wood, but we'll give it a try. We also got a sealer. Hopefully that works. And what else? Oh, the most important thing, we found letters so we can spell out Ramadan. And we were thinking about displaying the letters underneath the TV. We're going to spray paint all the letters in silver so it can match the living room. Oh my God, we found the perfect size, Muhammad.
I know, it fits
wow. Literally, oh my God, I love it.
I mean, don't mind my...
it's not straight, but it doesn't matter. It looks so cute. I love it. Okay, so we're also going to have the moon right next to Ramadan. Okay, and we're gonna hot glue this moon to this base that we have here. Well, not hot glue, we got Gorilla Glue, so hopefully that works. But yeah, basically this is the idea and it's all gonna be in silver. So it's almost Maghrib and the sun is about to set. So before the sun sets, we have to spray paint all the letters.
Yes.
And while that dries, then we can just work on the hallway.
Yes.
Yeah?
Let's get started?
Let's get started.
Do you want to do it out here?
Yes, out here.
Okay.
We can open the door. Okay, so we just spray painted as much as we could for the moment. We're just letting it dry. Also, it does not help that the weather is super windy. So every time we were spray painting, it felt as if the paint was just flying to the air.
It's like going
and not touching
everywhere.
the letters.
Exactly.
So anyhow, I'm using my phone. Maybe the quality's not as good, but it's a little bit wider, so you get to see a lot more. What should we do now? Should we do the lights?
So we can do the lights. What else do we have to do?
The lights is gonna take a long time, actually.
Okay,
Yeah.
let's do the. I would do the lights first, and then
Okay.
figure.
Okay, let's move on to the lights.
Let's go.
Up the lights.
I have hung up the lights there.
Okay, you're right. So far, Mohammed has hung up the lights, but I helped you along the way. As you guys have seen.
She was giving me the push pins.
Yeah, so I was your assistant.
Yes.
And I was telling you where to put the stuff, but we don't have a ladder at the moment, so Mohammed is in charge. Yeah, Mohammed is the ladder. So he's in charge of, hanging up the lights. Okay, so we have finished the hard part, I would say, which is detangling all the lights. Oh my God, that took at least 10 to 20 minutes to detangle every single light.
Literally.
Yeah, but this is super easy. Let me show you guys. These are the coolest lights ever. I love them. Shower meter rain lights. So it literally just looks like
it's raining.
Like raining lights. It's the coolest thing ever. And I can't wait to show you guys. Okay, so wait, did you put the push pins in?
I don't have any push pins.
Oh, you don't. Oh,
so you didn't do your job.
Let me give you the push pins real quick.
Okay.
Let me go get that.
Come, go get the push pins. Run and give me my push pins, please.
Okay, here are the push pins. Here you go. Here you go.
You're the worst at this. You can't even open the thing? You give it to me closed?
There you go.
It doesn't want to fit up there.
You can go lower, a bit lower.
Here?
Yeah. No, that's very low.
How low?
That's so low.
Then where?
A little higher.
Here?
Yeah.
Okay, you literally make no sense.
I can't see, you're covering it.
That's where I started.
Let's see, guys. Let's see. Okay.
That looks empty though.
Yeah, I still need to order more lights for it. But maybe we should try and see how it looks before we put the rest of the other lights.
Well, what? Maybe you could plug it. Go get the remote because that's how you.
Okay.
Because
oh my God, it's not working. Why is it not working?
First of all, you don't aim it. Give it. You don't aim it at this.
Yeah, it's supposed to be aimed at this thing or this thing.
It's. Let me see. Let me see.
It's not working.
Does it have a battery?
Oh, I don't know. The other ones?
No, it's not how you turn it on.
It's not working.
It was not gonna work.
What are we gonna do? It's not working. It's not working.
I don't know what you want me to do.
I'm gonna cry. This is so annoying.
I'm crying from the inside. So do I need to take this stuff all down now? Because I'm gonna leave this. There's a button here. Why is it not working?
Oh my God. Oh my God!
Oh.
Oh my God! It worked! Oh my God! You made it work! Oh, come on, please. Oh, please. Do you need the remote? Maybe with the remote. Here.
Is this one they plugged in?
Oh, yeah, it is. Look. Okay, no, this remote definitely doesn't. It's not working? Maybe it's not, the outlet's not good, maybe?
No. There's No, the outlet should be good. This one's something.
Aww.
This thing's even like messed up.
Really?
What's wrong with it?
Maybe it's damaged? What about this one? Try this one. Yay!
This one is a failed up.
Oh man.
And this remote control's still booty. So the remote control ain't working. There's something. Are they weak? Yeah, they are, man.
They're weak?
Bro,
No. It's a setting. They are in different There's different settings for the lights. Do like the twinkle lights.
No, I want to see the light.
Yeah, I like that.
I just want to see.
Oh, like that? Yeah, it looks so nice. Do you think it's worth it to put the rest of the lights up?
No.
No, right?
It's still not that easy to use without a controller, though.
We need to. Yeah.
You indicate everything, timer, modes.
Yeah.
Without the remote, you do it manually.
I know the remote is not working. I don't know why. Oh my god. Oh, there's more. Let's see how that looks. Oh, at least the weather is beautiful.
At least the moon looks good.
Oh, the moon doesn't look so bad.
The moon looked good.
Yeah, that looks really
Look,
nice.
right here. On this thing.
Okay, we were supposed to glue the moon to this thing,
We could do that.
which I don't think this turned out bad actually.
No, the moon turned that good.
Yeah. Okay.
It was promising. We're keeping the moon. And some stars.
As you can see, I still have some Ramadan decorations on the dining table, but I just don't feel like decorating half of the house while the other half is still empty.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie.
It needs work.
The moon turned out good.
Actually, I really thought that was gonna turn out bad, but for some reason, it's the only thing that is promising.
So here's the thing. Let me give you guys a rundown to what Omaya and I were doing today. We were rushing through so we can decorate our house for Ramadan early. But we just came across a few little obstacles. The obstacles got the best of us. We bought this letters and okay, I gotta do a better job.
Ooh. This is bad. Oh my god, why is everything so crappy? Oh my god, that's horrible. Look at that. This looked promising until we spray painted it.
And we also picked the worst place to spray paint it. We spray painted it outside where it was like
way too windy.
So we couldn't get the right coats. So that's why it looks like this. But that's fine. And then we put up all these lights. I mean, I did a lot of work and Omaya helped me and push pinned. Everything was good. Try to turn them on. We can't find the remote control. So we have lights that don't turn on. And then
we have letters that are damaged. By the spray paint.
And what I think we can do in the meantime, just so you guys can see what we have so far, is this.
We could possibly lay it out for you guys so you get an idea of what we were thinking about doing. Baby, we have to glue that.
That's what we have so far. Ramadan Kareem. From me to you all. So give us a week to a week and a half.
Yeah.
Inshallah, before Ramadan, we're going to get it all set up.
Yeah.
Next week, we're a little bit busy, but the following week, inshallah, we're going to be good.
Yeah, next week is going to be a busy week. We're actually going out of town, so I don't think we'll be prepared to
No, we won't be here, so there's no, it's hard.
Yeah, a Ramadan decoration video, but we will do it the following week. I'm actually going to order new lights tonight. You'll just see a Ramadan decor video on the first week of Ramadan.
Inshallah.
Inshallah.
In the meantime, though, we're looking to do Ramadan content, so please share any ideas that you have with us.
Yes.
If you want us to do like a tag, if there's a specific topic we can talk about, we're open to so many ideas. We really want to post more in Ramadan.
Yeah, just give us ideas, guys. That's what we need for us to just keep going and upload more and more and more for you guys. Again, if you enjoyed this video, which I really hope you did because we dedicated so much time to it. So if you enjoyed this video, then give it a thumbs up. And if you didn't like it, just give it a thumbs up so we can
Just give us a thumbs up so we can be
lift our
happy.
spirits up. Yeah. And also, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then please go ahead and do so. We would love to have your support and your love. And plus, be a part of our YouTube family.
Yep.
And like always, we love you and we thank you for watching our video. And we will see you next week.
Salam, everybody.
Salam.